Hey guys, it's Marcus at Automotive Superstore again, and in front of me I have a couple of entry-level cameras from the Thinkware dash cam range. If you're not looking to spend $1 million but you still want the peace of mind of a dash cam, here are some options for you. Let's go through them now. Starting with the Thinkware F70. Now this is a really small and sleek unit. It has a flexible mount on the back of it with 3M tape already pre-installed. All you have to do is pop it up on the windscreen, pop the SD card in, and off you go. If you like, you can add some extra accessories such as the GPS antenna so that you can have safety camera alerts, or you can set up the hard wiring kit so that you can run it in parking mode and potentially pair it with an I-volt backup battery. But as it is, it's fantastic 1080p footage, no frills experience. Now, if you're looking for more premium features like Wi-Fi sync to the Thinkware app and 2-channel recording, such as being able to record front and rear, then the F200 kit is the way to go. If you purchase the front and rear kit, it will come with a hard wiring kit already in the box, so you could run it in parking mode if you like. You'll have front and rear, 1080 on the front, 720 on the back for extra peace of mind. Plus, you can also pair it with the I-volt as you can do with any other Thinkware camera. In terms of memory card capacities available for both of these models, the F70 comes with an 8GB or a 16GB card, and the F200 comes with a 16 or a 32GB card. The links for all of those models will be in the description below. As always, if you have any further questions about these models or anything else on our website, please leave us a comment below. Do not forget to smash that like button, and we'll see you in the next one.